If you would like to do an XLOOKUP, you'll start by selecting the equal symbol, then type in XLOOKUP. You'll select the function, and from here, you'll select the lookup value. In this case, that's cell F3. That's going to be the data point that you use to search the lookup array on. So next, the lookup array, in this case, that's column A. So your lookup value is going to be searched on there. Next, you'll do a comma, and from here, you'll select the return array, which is going to bring back the data in the relevant column associated with that lookup value. From here, you'll do a right parenthesis, hit enter, and that brought back the related year for the lookup value we did. Next, what you can do is just drag this down, and that brings back the year associated. We can take a look at VLOOKUP. We'll start the same way. You'll select the equal symbol, VLOOKUP, select your function. Have the same process where we select the relevant cell that we want to look up. In this case, that's cell F3. The distinction here is we'll select the entire table. Then we'll select the comma. And from here, what we'll do is we will type in the column we want to bring back. So in this case, that's the third column. You're always going to count from left to right. Column number 3 is the year. Then you'll do another comma, and you will select false, which means it will bring back the exact match for the lookup value. If you select true, it will bring back an approximate match, and generally, that's not used very often. You'll do the right parenthesis, hit enter, and you can see it brought back the same value. We can drag this down, and all our results are the same.